What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo with IPX7 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.0, and many more features I picked up using Amazon Prime for $44.99. Out of 5 stars, out of 19 customer reviews, these get 4.5 out of 5 stars. And today I figured we would maybe figure out if these are a close Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus alternative. What's actually very interesting about the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo True Wireless Earbuds is they come in 4 colors: black, red, white, and blue. Guess what? So too do the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. In addition to that, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus have a total play time of about 22 hours. These have a play time of about 20 hours in total, combined between the earbuds and the charge case. Now, what is different about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus when compared to the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo is the fact that the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus have about 11-hour battery life with the earbuds themselves, and then compensate for that 20 hours using the charge case. Even though the technology in each respective earbud may be a little bit different, the specifications are very similar, and really today we're going to find out if it's worth paying that extra $100 for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions and find out. So I have the handy dandy scissors here. We'll go ahead and cut into the back of the box here and tear off some of this wrapping paper. Do they come out like this? Not quite sure. Oh, we got a little piece of packaging on the back there. So we'll go ahead and just shake this box deliberately. And now that I finally am able to get the box loosened up here, we'll go ahead and we'll take it off. And as you see, we get a really nice premium package experience here. Right off the bat, what's really interesting about this charge case is it actually has a bit of a pearlescent coating to it, which I could not tell on Amazon at all. On Amazon, it looked just plain white. So this is very fascinating. Maybe we do have a Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus alternative on our hands. Let's go ahead and see how good they sound and see what else comes in the rest of the box before we get a little bit too ahead of ourselves. Take out some of that extra material there. Okay, so in the box, these do come with the ear tips and ear wings. What's really nice is we get a USB to micro USB charging cable. Like I was saying just a few minutes ago, here are the added ear tips. It looks like you get a small, a medium, and a large ear tip in there. That's really nice. Like I mentioned just a few minutes ago, here are the ear tips, which is really nice. So if you do want to work out with these, you can absolutely do so. As you can see, they look just like a collar and they slip on around the earbuds, but we'll try that out momentarily. Happy? Unhappy? You should let Anker know. And last but not least, we get some user guides, Soundcore Liberty Neo, just in case you have any issues using the earbuds, and it looks like maybe some warranty information. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these up. Super excited that these are a pretty close Galaxy Buds Plus alternative. These do not come with a wireless charging case, I do believe, but you get Bluetooth 5.0, sweat resistance, which the Galaxy Buds Plus do not have, and much, much more. Also, did I mention that these come in 4 colors, blue, red, white, and black, just like the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus? Guys, if these end up sounding pretty good, so we've got the right-hand side, we've got the left-hand side. I'm gonna go ahead and slip them into my ear here real quick. Right off the bat, noise isolation is pretty good, but the comfort and the way that they fit in my ear doesn't feel quite as consistent as, say, some other headphones like the AirPods Pro or the headphones that I reviewed yesterday. Oh, I reviewed the Taltronics Sound Liberty 53 and they blew me away yesterday. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about what these look like in my ear. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these up to my phone, listen to them for a few minutes, and come back with my verdict and my impressions on their sound quality. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. I tried these earbuds across multiple EQ settings, and what I found out is that they're a little bit on the quiet side. That's right, if you want to really enjoy listening to these earbuds, you're gonna have to play them at their pretty much highest volume. You're gonna have to play them anywhere from 3/4 of the way to max volume in order to enjoy them. So with that being said, they sound okay. I listened to them across multiple EQ settings and could not get them to really go any louder. In fact, the loudest I could get them to go was using flat. Nevertheless, I am actually thoroughly impressed with these headphones. They get 20 hours combined playtime between the earbuds and the charging case. They've got Bluetooth 5.0. They're IPX7 water resistant. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not dogging these earbuds because I actually really like them, and I think they are a Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus alternative. Just realize that you're paying $45 compared to $150. So even though on paper you're not losing a whole lot of functionality, sound-wise, they're probably not going to sound as good. By the way, I haven't heard the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, but I have heard the Samsung Galaxy Buds, the original version, and I loved them. I expect the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus to be an even bigger step up. That being said, if you're interested in the specifications and the color options, because they do come in some really cool colors, blue, white, black, and red, just like the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and you don't want to pay $150 and you want that IPX7 water resistance, you want clear call quality just like the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, you want superb touch controls on the side, you want superb build quality, you want a name brand, these are the earbuds to go with. Irregardless, they're a different style, they're a different brand. If you're interested in an earbud that looks like this and that functions like this, then these are the earbuds for you to go with. Anyways, guys, because I picked up these earbuds using Amazon Prime, that makes them a convenience good. These are the Soundcore Liberty Neo True Wireless Earbuds I picked up. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.